video. It is not nighttime. It is like, I don't know, 9:30 in the morning. It's just that dark outside. I know, Pacific Northwest in the winter. This is my Extendo arm multi-head. This is the duster head on it. It also does squeegee and the mop that you've seen me mop with. So I thought today I would do a nice deep clean. The house needs it. I kind of want to get it done before the new year. I'm going to go through and I'm going to dust everything, and then I will kind of go through my sequence of sweeping and wiping surfaces and everything. And I kind of do it in an order so that I'm not making another mess for myself. So like if you sweep first and then you dust, you're just making more mess for yourself, right? Because things are going to fall down. And we're going to wipe down the surfaces. And you know, it doesn't have to take hours and hours, but we're just going to do what we can as a deep, thorough, nice clean in a little short time that my monkey's distracted and everything. So let's get clean. I'm going to start with dusting. So many blankets and pillows. I do, I'll admit it. I cannot die. But, you know, it's true. I love blankets though. And it's cold here so frequently that it makes a lot of sense to stay all warm. Okay. This is a sandwich cutter that I bought. So I have several different shapes, and so I make fun, kind of unique sandwichy shapes for my son. It helps him eat nibbles that he wouldn't otherwise want. Pro mama tip. So I get asked really frequently why I sweep and I don't vacuum. And there's really two reasons for that, at least. One is that my son has SPD, which is sensory processing disorder, and that sounds really severe. It's, you know, it's its own thing. It's not like wild crazy, but it does mean that he reacted for a long time really negatively, really severely, and he'd get really scared of the vacuum. He really didn't like it. So I've swept because of that. And then also because I have this Oreck that I love. It's a bag Oreck. It's not a bagless. I like it. It really sucks up. But its belt keeps breaking. It just keeps breaking. I think it's broken 3-4 times now. And it's just a pain to have to keep fixing. So I think I'm going to get a more lightweight one that I can also use on my stairs. That's a bagless one. Hopefully with a good washable filter because of my asthma. We'll see. And then I had a lovely company send me a robot vacuum that I was super excited to try out for you guys. But so far, I think the one I got sent has a defunct battery because it's a recharging battery, right? Charging station. So I am waiting for them to bop over and send me one that will charge so that I can show that to you because I'm curious what a robot vacuum would be like around the house. I kind of want to try that. So I was waiting to see if that one was going to work because I'm just kind of testing out the right vacuum. So that's why I sweep and don't vacuum. Because right now my vacuum's broken, woohoo, after fixing it multiple times. My other vacuum that I just got won't take a charge, so it needs a battery replacement or something. And then my son is just now starting to get to a place where he can vacuum. Well, I can vacuum around him without him just freaking out. So, FYI, that's why.